Good morning. It's February 26, 2025. I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Ohio. He does many things in life. One of them is racing cars, similar to my son's passion. You came from Ohio and had the Deuk laser disc repair done on your discs, and that was done less than 24 hours ago.
Yeah,
how do you feel?
I feel great. First time in a long time I haven't had pain just getting up and walking or just sitting even, so.
Yeah, it was hard for you to believe that the pain was gone, right?
I still felt there might be some numbing agent in there or something that was going on, but yeah, I don't have the pain I've had for years.
We don't have any numbing agent. You didn't take any pain meds this morning.
Nope.
The anesthetic wore off yesterday. What you're experiencing right now is real pain relief. This is the first time in how many years you don't have back pain and leg pain?
It started about 5-6 years ago, starting to get it, and then it just kept getting worse and worse, where it sometimes takes me to my knees if I do something wrong or move the wrong way or sneeze even once in a while. It was 24/7 I was in pain.
24/7 you had back pain. Tell me about how the back pain affected your life, your quality of life.
I had to think about everything I did. As you said, in the race car, actually, it was somewhat therapeutic that I could sit in the car, be strapped in, and I didn't have the pain. But also when I'm in the car, my mind shuts down to everything, and I'm just concentrating on the racing. Sitting at home, I'm always constantly twisting and moving because the pain would start to get intense for a little while if I was not in the right position, and I'd twist trying to get back to the right position. So again, out golfing, I used to play a lot of golf. In the last year, I think I played less or just over 20 rounds because I didn't enjoy going out and playing. And that's when I would take a couple pain meds to play the round to go out with some friends, have some fun, but it just wasn't enjoyable. So I'm looking forward to actually getting out and enjoying golf again.
And what other treatments did you try that did not work for you?
Well, I've done a lot of chiropractic work. I've been doing a Tennessee traction table, trying to get some traction to help to alleviate, but none of that stuff actually helped. It would lessen the pain when it happened and probably give me a little bit of relief of still be pain, but it would be a little bit less than what it was for a while. But having to go in a couple times a week and get adjusted and get therapy.
Did you ever do shots or consider fusion surgery or another invasive surgery?
I came real close to doing some shots, and I decided to go against it because I know how they wear off after 4, 6, 8 months, whatever that time frame would be.
Much sooner than that. A few weeks.
So I thought that was sort of futile to do the shots, and I have some friends that have had surgery. They're a year still before they even come close to getting back to somewhat normal, and even after that, they aren't. It's still another year before they're really back to normal because the cutting of the muscles to go into the body to do what they're doing.
I'm sure they're still in pain, so send them to us and we'll take care of them.
I've got a list of a couple people that are going to be coming to see you probably. One's a young guy. I don't want him going through that, but everyone I ever knew in back pain that had surgery end up getting surgery again.
Not you, because you had the Deuk laser disc repair. And you can see during the surgery that we were inside your tear of your discs, and you can see the tear in the back of the disc. You can see the blue herniation, and we used the laser to clean it, and it went perfect. So you're going to heal up beautifully. Your surgery went perfect. What's life going to be like for you now that your back pain is gone?
Hopefully just get back to normal. I mean, not having the mindset of what am I going to do that's going to affect my back and what am I going to have to do after.
Not living in fear.
Yeah.
Because that's what you've been living in, is fear.
Once I know I've got 6, 8, 10 months in that I know I'm healthy, so it'll be life-changing, really, to not have to do it.
It is life-changing. Well, anything you want to say to your family and friends out there in the video world?
Well, surgery was about, 18 hours ago, and I feel great. I think it's a heck of a procedure, and that's why I traveled to Ohio to see Dr. Deuk. Come down here for this.
And you're not on any medication right now. The medicines are all worn off.
Yeah.
So you're feeling great because we took away your pain.
Right. It's definitely well worth it, and I would suggest anyone to look into it if they're thinking about back pain and heard horror stories and other stuff from other friends of theirs that have had back surgeries and stuff. Give them a call. It started out with I sent my disc down here. They took a look at it. We had a long
Zoom call.
Yes, thank you. Did that for one day, and I happened to be down here traveling for business, and they got me in for a consult one-on-one, and that was just about a month ago, and I'm scheduled surgery, and I'm in now. I'm going home pain-free.
And now you're ready to get back to racing and take on Max Verstappen for the World Championship, right?
I'll lose every time.
All right, buddy.
Thanks.
Safe travels.